I got my DJ channel monetized way faster than I ever thought. And honestly, I thought once my channel was monetized, everything was about to change. And I thought the views would be starting to make a lot of money. I even thought the hard work was actually paying off. Boy, was I wrong. What I discovered next actually changed the way I look at DJ channels in general on YouTube. What's going on, YouTube? In the last video, I told you how my DJ channel started growing way faster than I ever expected and how I hit a milestone. And in this video today, I'm going to tell you what happened after I hit that milestone. Because eventually the channel hit a milestone that most creators spend years trying to make happen. But I did it in less than about 2 months. At this point, the views was coming in and the subscribers was climbing. The mixes were performing very well. And every time I uploaded, people were actually showing up. And they still showing up. And naturally, I started paying attention to one thing, the monetization aspect of the videos. Because honestly, when you put in the work, spending the time editing, creating thumbnails, uploading videos, eventually you start wondering, can this actually make money? Then one day I checked the dashboard and I realized something. The channel had enough watch hours and the channel had enough subscribers. Everything was lining up. And then boom, before I knew it, the channel was fully monetized. Listen, I'm not gonna lie, I was definitely excited when the channel got monetized. Because in my mind, I thought views are finally gonna start paying off. And I think that's what most people believe, but it's not true. Because we think once you get monetized, you get views, you get ads, and you start making money that way. It seems very simple, but it's really not. It's not that simple, at least not for a DJ channel. And this is where I got my first real YouTube lessons. Because after getting monetized, I started looking at all of my mixes. The same mixes that's bringing in thousands of views, the same mixes that's helped the channel grow, and the same mixes everybody was watching. And I realized something. Those mixes aren't making the money that I thought that they would. Why? Because as you can see right here, it says this video is ineligible to earn. There's a copyright strike on all the DJ mixes that a lot of people didn't talk about previously. And we think once the channel's monetized, we're gonna jump in and start making money. That's not true at all. Now, I'm not gonna go too deep into copyright videos because that's a whole different discussion. And it honestly deserves its own video. But I will say this, getting monetized and making money is not always the same thing, especially if you're a DJ. And honestly, that moment made me start thinking differently because I had a new problem now. The channel was growing, the views was coming, but now I had to figure out how to turn that attention into something suitable. And that's exactly when I started changing my strategy for these YouTube videos. Because what happened next actually surprised me. I started experimenting with different type of content, not just mixes. And the results were completely different from what I expected. Some videos got almost no views. This video got 364 views. The next video got 149 views. The next video got 145 views. The next video after that got 473 views. The one after that got 329 views. Overall, you see what I'm saying. Some of these other content videos almost got no views, but my mixes, they still bring in thousands of views, hundreds of views every 24, 48 hours. And those results were completely different from what I expected because in my mind, if I'm bringing in thousands of views, hundreds of thousands of views, I figured my other videos would also pop up, but it wasn't the fact. Some videos performed better than I expected, and that's when I started learning how YouTube actually works. And in the next video, I'm gonna show you exactly what happened when I started uploading content that wasn't mixes. And I'm also gonna show you what worked and what didn't work, and the mistake that I made trying to turn a growing DJ channel into an actual business. So if you enjoyed this series, make sure you subscribe, like this video, because we're just getting started.